How to add pictures or images on your presentation on PowerPoint mobile app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to PowerPoint. As you can see, this is the home page. Now choose the document that you want. I'm gonna choose this one, for example, or you can create one. Now let's say that you want to add pictures. All what you have to do is click on this pencil right here, this pencil icon. Click on it. It will take you to this page. Now right here you can edit your slides and your pages and text and everything. Now if you want to add an image, go here, click on this little icon right here. If you click it on it, it will take you directly to your gallery and you can choose image very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later.